right, chopping it down with the edge of my hand. I'm Todd Gatewood, bringing you the restored Patterson film, and I'm coming into the finish on this, folks. Chopping it down with the edge of my hand. Hey, little unknown fact about Todd Gatewood here. Once upon a time, I lived in Nashville. My address was 2120 Belmont Boulevard, apartment A3. A very simple, unopposing brownstone. But it was also shared by a renter before me, by Jim Hendrix, that's right. And when Mr. Hendrix left his bill unpaid, his storage unit remained locked. I did happen to be the new tenant at one point with the key to that unit, so I am in possession of Mr. Hendrix's possessions that he had when he lived at the Albemarle. Amongst those things are a Vietnam parachute set that he brought back from the Army. All right. So today it's a short video, but before we get started, I have to say thank you. I want to say thank you to all my Patreon members, the people who are going to my shop that are buying coffee mugs. Hey, these are great looking coffee mugs, great conversation starters. Nothing like a new coffee mug with Patty's face on it or the famous frame from the Patterson Gimlin film. Thank you for going to my shop. The link is in the description. And thank you guys for buying the merch. It's there for you. You asked for it, you got it. If there's something else you want, I am happy to put it out there for you. Also, thank you very much for watching these videos, liking, sharing, subscribing. It means a lot. I'm coming into the final stretch of this project. And at the beginning, when I first did this, I wasn't really sure the format of how I would share this with you. I didn't start a channel, or I didn't do this so I could have a YouTube channel. But I felt that it was necessary to bring you the information because there's so much interest in this topic and film. So, and by the way, you know, it's interesting when I first hit the scene, everyone in this topic of Sasquatch and Bigfoot, they love the Patterson Gimlin film. You do, you love the film. And yet there is a faction of people out here in this community that when I show you the film in its glory and I show you frames and all their beauty, you lose your absolute minds. It's incredible. You want to see it, and then I show it and you lose your minds. Well, guess what? You're fixing to go crazy because it's coming down and it's going down. It's going to be awesome. When I first started this, I made 3 commercials, just little 1-minute commercials, as if I'm airing them on some network of some sort, this network, and just to show you what I'm doing. The 1-minute commercials really are a fast synopsis of how I got into this and what I wanted to do. And that's what I'm bringing you here to do today, to see those 3. I noticed, I can tell by the views, they weren't viewed a whole lot like these other videos. And so now that you're along with me, you may not have gone backwards and caught up, which I suggest you do, so you will be fully on board with this topic, this film, and what's happening. But here are my 3 commercials, and I hope you enjoy them. They're just a little synopsis. They're 1 minute each. This is a short video. Thank you guys. There's more to come. You'll see.